Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp web not downloading any files. So let's begin. So here we are in web, that's whatsapp.com or WhatsApp web. And to resolve this issue, the first thing that I'm going to recommend you to do is first restart your computer. As simple as it sounds, it is very effective for most common problems here in your WhatsApp web. So once you have made sure that you have restarted your computer, then we can proceed to the next step if it didn't solve your problem. So the first thing that we need to do is go to the time in our start menu, go for it and type in time. And you can see the change the date and time in the system settings, and you want to click on this one right there so that you would be prompted right here. So once you are here, you want to make sure that your time is set automatically and the time zone is also set automatically. Make sure it is turned on right here, and once you are done with that, then you can now close it. And now you are done for this step. What you want to do next is test if the WhatsApp web is now working. Then if not, we can proceed to the next step, which is simply going to your ad blocker. So if you have an ad block here in your browser currently applied, then you want to go for it, and you want to make sure that the WhatsApp web is not blocked or anything right there, or you might try to disable your ad block and then go to the WhatsApp web and see if it works, and that way you would know if the ad block was the reason for the problem. And now the next thing that we need to do, if that didn't solve your problem, is clear WhatsApp data. So how do we do that? We need to go to the settings of our browser. So in Chrome, it will be like this. So go here and click on settings right here. Once you click on the three dots, or click on settings, and from here you want to go into privacy and security, and once you will go here, you want to go into the bottom and it says site settings, and you want to go here, click on it. And from here, you want to find the WhatsApp web. So to do that, what you want to do is simply go here into the recent activity and view permissions right here. And as you can see, whatsapp.com is right here. And you want to simply go and click the trash icon, or you can just delete all data right here if you want to include all sites. But in this case, we'll just go for WhatsApp and then click on delete. And after that, you want to go and test it out right here in web.whatsapp.com, and you can see that the problem has been solved. So I hope this video helped you out.